What's good? What's good, pretties? Welcome back to my channel. Today is a girls' day kind of day. This is the outfit that I'm wearing. She's so cute. These are my shoes. This is the day after the Capaholics event. It was so much fun. Chino's parking the car right now, but if you guys didn't know, Miss Brooklyn is finally moved back to LA, finally where she should have been always. Welcome home, first of all, Brooklyn. Love you so, so much. I'm so excited to celebrate you coming back home. It's gonna be such a fun night. I'm so excited. And I just really hope that you enjoy tonight. I know we always have a lot of girls' nights, but it's never been as complete as it's gonna be today. So I'm so excited. We made a quick stop to come eat real fast before we head over that way, and we're gonna try this Mendocino's Farms. I've never tried it, but I'm excited to. So just wait for Chino to get up here, and then we'll go inside. Hello, Mr. Fiance.
Hello, my fiance.
Wow, you guys didn't know. Here's an update. Chino got curly hair too. Yeah. Hungry, huh? Yeah.
Super hungry.
What'd you get, Anthony?
I got the not so fried chicken sandwich.
Ooh, not so fried chicken sandwich.
Not so fried chicken sandwich.
We got 2 pesto sandwiches and we got a Sprite. And then I already had a little Gatorade, so I'm gonna stick to that. We'll be back with our ratings of our food. I've had quite a few pesto sandwiches in my day, so I know a 10 out of 10 when I eat a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Okay, this is my rating. The sandwich is delicious. Do you think it's delicious?
Organic.
It's really, really good. I was worried that it wasn't gonna be what I thought it was gonna be.
Tastes good.
The bread is like perfectly crunchy. It's not burnt. It's not burnt. There's enough amount of greens in it where it doesn't make it all like wet and slushy. The chicken's nice and warm, and the pesto's super good. So I'm gonna say 10 out of 10.
No.
10 out of 10 pesto for you too?
No.
No.
Super good.
You guys want a little bite? Oh, yummy, huh? I know. I told you. Alright, y'all. We made a quick little pit stop at Brooklyn's. She has no idea, bro. That's so funny. I'm gonna ask her if I can ride with her to TT's, but she has no idea what's actually going on. I'm excited. What did you ask Brooklyn?
Could you just tell me like what you think of the, you know, out of 10?
Okay. His homie dropped a song and shit's ass.
What?
In my opinion. He gave it his all, but I don't know if he's gonna be the next Mariah Carey or not, but this is just the ad. Oh, God.
You can't be that hot, boy.
Huh?
No, they just do that because that's how they breathe. You know that they're hot, they sweat from their nose.
Yeah, he is.
Nose. Okay, ready?
Out of 10 though.
Laga laga, I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need.
We're like out of 10. What are you giving it? Are you laughing at him? He's really trying too. Listen.
All I want for Christmas.
said he's trying?
You.
Like out of
Wait,
10.
so he's trying?
Yeah, he's trying.
I'll give him.
Like out of 10.
Alright, I'll give
Don't
him.
be nice either.
He's trying?
Yeah, he really tried.
I'll give him a 3.
A 3?
Yeah.
You know that was me, right? That's
For
messed
real?
up.
That was you?
That was me. Oh, charisma.
Okay, y'all, we just made it to TT's. TT's. We have so much stuff. TT, let me in. Let me in, girl.
Ain't no way. It's not open?
No.
The door's not open?
No. I got a pee. I got a pee, TT.
No, we have a lot of stuff in our hands.
God damn, bro.
What are they trying to do?
I don't know. I need them to hurry up, though.
They trying to do something. You don't hear them? They trying to do something.
TT! Dark ass house, bruh. Now do you get it? Yeah, now you see. Oh my goodness. Aww, it decorated so cute. Aww.
His name is Leo.
That's so cute. These hanging are so
I
cute.
tried to do hanging ones from the thing.
That was
but
taking too long, huh?
No, it
This is
just,
so cute,
I
though.
didn't have any clear tape.
Mmm.
Do you feel love?
I do.
Recording. I'm a big girl.
Yeah, I went on the phone too though, so I can get just somebody sends me.
How we feeling?
Great. Oh my gosh.
Feel good?
Real quick.
With my Arizona shots, I feel like.
Feel good?
Huh? Feel good?
I feel great.
Okay. Let's go. Stop.
No, I had to make
Let's
sure.
put
I
this
had to
on.
make sure that he validated that. But
He's
it
like,
matter.
don't worry, I'm
He
gonna do
did.
it right by you.
Who cares?
You
You
heard
heard
me.
me. Wait. All right, cool.
All
right, ready?
Alright, slave.
No, get over here.
Who didn't eat their strawberry?
I ate all my strawberries and
Me
some,
too, this is
some
mine.
more
I
strawberries.
All mine.
Yeah, this is my plate.
How many did I have? Like 3 hours. I got 2. Yeah, I'm one.
Go to the way. You should eat one. You wake up.
Wanna wake up?
If you eat one now, you gonna wake up.
Okay, I'm officially home. It was a successful welcome home party. I don't know what it is, but the later it gets, my voice just gets like this. I don't know why. Maybe it's like the coldness in the air. But I'm home. Got a little chocolate lollipop. Took some pics of everything and the girls, and we had a great time. It is 4 a.m. and I finally made it home. I hope you guys enjoyed the little vlog. And I'm gonna go sleep. I hope you guys like my little fit. If you guys do, my homegirl, her store for the jerseys I've been wearing is called
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 난 겨울. Yeah, 가을거 blood. Yeah, 너와 있을 땐 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 children. 꿈에도 I wasn't done with. 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해.